Monsoon is the ideal season to have vadas with some tea, and these crispy vadas from Maharashtra are something you must try. Welcome to Ranna Roshmita, and we are making Sabudana Vada. To make the vadas, first take Sabudana or Sago balls and wash them thoroughly with water to remove impurities. Rinse the sabudanas thoroughly and then drain the water. Then pour in fresh water and soak the sabudanas for 1 hour. Drain the water and transfer them to a larger vessel for easier handling. After soaking, the sabudanas should be easily mashable like this. Then take some ground nuts, blend them into a coarse powder and add it in. The smaller pieces will absorb any excess moisture and the larger pieces will give a bite. For the flavorings, add chopped coriander leaves, chopped ginger, chopped chilies for the heat, some lemon juice, and black salt for taste. Mix all these ingredients to combine the flavors. To bind all these together, mash and add 2 boiled medium-sized potatoes. Do not add more potatoes than this, as they will make your vadas oily and less crispy. Next, portion your mixture into small circular balls. Avoid making larger balls as they take longer to cook and are not crispy inside. Then clean your hands, apply some oil to them and take the shaped balls and press them between your palms. This will increase the surface area and make your vadas cook faster and crispier. Finally, our vadas are ready to be fried. To fry these, heat some refined oil in a kadhai. When the oil is smoking hot, gently drop the vadas in them and fry them in small batches. Once the vadas are in the kadhai, fry them over a medium flame so they can cook thoroughly. Let the vadas fry undisturbed for the first 15 seconds. Turn them over gently once they start to turn golden brown. Once they start to float on the oil like this, they are almost done. Fry until they are golden brown and delicious like these. Drain the excess oil and take them off. Remember to reheat the oil till it is smoking hot before frying the next batch. You can hear how crispy they turned out. Serve them piping hot with some fried chilies and green chutney, and they will make your tea time memorable. If you love this recipe, please give this video a like, and until next time, happy cooking!